What's up, guys? I'm out here this morning. It's a rare occasion here in Atlanta. The temperature is about, I think it's 13 right now. It got down to 9 last night. The wind chill's -5. It's cold. I figured, let's do a cold start on this old girl. How about it? Alright, let me get set up and I'll get it going for you. Sorry about the wind noise, man. It's really windy, but let's see if this old girl will fire this morning. Actually went a lot better than I thought it was going to. Fired up pretty good. Look, it's not even smoking anymore. That went pretty good. Let's do one on the peat now. See how this old mechanical girl fires up in the morning. That was uneventful. The peat fired up better than purple did. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. I just wanted to do a couple cold starts. The peat did great. Purple, puffed a little bit and struggled just a little bit in the beginning, but yeah, she did good. Alright guys, thanks for coming by.